Take a deep breath in and gently let it go. You have made it to a brand new day. This moment is just for you. A space to pause and be grateful. Breathe in peace and breathe out anything heavy. Place your hand on your heart and feel your presence here. Now, in your mind or out loud, repeat after me. I am thankful for this new day. I am grateful for the breath in my lungs. I welcome peace, love, and clarity. With every breath, allow a soft wave of gratitude to move through your body. Think of one thing, just one, that you are thankful for right now. Let it fill you. Smile softly. Gratitude is my starting point. Gratitude is my strength. Now, imagine a golden light surrounding you. This light is peace. This light is thankfulness. Let it wash away stress, fear, and doubt. Feel safe. Feel supported. Say gently to yourself, I am thankful for the chance to begin again. Today, I choose to see the good. Take a few more breaths. Feel your feet on the ground, your heart open. You are aligned. You are present. I carry gratitude into every part of my day. Gratitude brings me back to love. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Notice how different your body feels. Hold this peaceful energy with you. Thank you for starting your morning here. If this helped you, explore the gratitude journal linked below. Wishing you a beautiful